The whole world is celebrating Christmas this year, but not Bethlehem, not the birthplace of our Lord Jesus Christ. Bethlehem is celebrating Christmas with sadness and sorrow because of what's happening in Gaza and in all the West Bank, all Palestinian territories. From the beginning of the year until the end of September, we had more than 2.3 million tourists that arrived to Palestine. But since the war until now, we have no tourists in Palestine, and especially here in Bethlehem.